Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can watch TV series on your IPTV subscription. Well, before we start the video, you must have IPTV subscription, and if you are confused how you can buy IPTV subscription, then visit IPTV Trends and Extreme HD IPTV website. These both sites provide best subscription in the market. So let's go ahead and set up your IPTV subscription on IPTV Smarter Pro application. So in the Firestick home screen, what you have to do, hold remote home button for a few seconds, click on apps, and here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire TV device. So slide over and highlight IPTV Smarter Pro application. So as you can see, I already highlighted this application. So press remote select button to launch it. When you launch IPTV Smarter Pro application first time, this dialog box appear on your screen, so click on Accept Terms of Use. And guys, this is the home screen of IPTV Smarter Pro application. So when you purchase IPTV subscription, they send you username, password and portal URL like this. And this username, password and portal URL you have to type in login with Extreme Code API section. So let's click on that. Now type here your username, password and portal URL. After typing username, password and portal URL, then click on add user. And after a few seconds, you will see this user has been added. So let's click on that. Now it will take 2-3 minutes depending on your internet connection. And guys, as you can see, I log in my IPTV subscription on IPTV Smarter Pro application. Now here we are looking for TV series. So slide over and select TV series. Now press remote select button. And here you will find series category like series drama, series history, series action adventure, series animation, crime, reality, horror, wisdom, sports and much more categories are available in this IPTV subscription. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.